I know it is here somewhere. Reveal the path.
Welcome back to the new season of our channel. My name is Iris, and today we're going to see how to create videos in Google Flow using real settings and locations from Google Maps. In this tutorial, we are testing a new update to Google Flow. The tool now features image and video generation powered by Google Maps and Street View data. This lets you accurately recreate real-world landmarks, neighborhoods, and environments directly from maps to use as settings for your video projects. The feature is available globally, but right now it only works for US locations. Activating Maps Grounding. The first time I tried this, I thought the best option was to start a new project in Flow and type this prompt: Maps Imagery Grounding Example. But I made a typo. I typed imaginary instead of imagery. And you know what happened? Flow generated this fantastic video. It wasn't what I was looking for, but it looks amazing. Actually, the whole procedure is far more straightforward. This feature is integrated directly into Google Flow for any videos set in US-based locations, provided that agent mode has been enabled. The process is simple. Select your preferred location, enter the prompt for the scene you wish to develop, and Flow handles the execution. Initially, Flow produces a preview image for style confirmation and provides a breakdown of the credits required for video generation. Once approved, the final result is ready in just moments. It even provides a direct link to the exact location on Google Maps. It's fantastic and works incredibly well. Now let's take a closer look at how to generate a video by choosing a location and adding a main character to the scene. First, remember to turn on agent mode in Google Flow. Then we need to add a detailed prompt, including the specific location we want to show in the video. We need to put special emphasis on the location, so Google Flow recognizes the setting and responds accurately using Google Maps data. In this new video, I also want to include a character I previously created for my project. Her name is Ollie. I want her to be in New York in a specific spot that I'll detail in the prompt. I have selected an iconic location where the car will look spectacular, right in front of the Rockefeller Center on Fifth Avenue. In my prompt, I specify the video format, but I also add details about the scene, the setting, the action, meaning exactly what I want to happen. And finally, the camera movement and the visual style. Here is the exact prompt I'm going to use. And here is the result. Look at how it interpreted the sequence set up in Google Maps, capturing all the details from Street View. The result is really impressive, don't you think? Now, let's look at a simpler example. Here, the focus is entirely on the location and the type of sequence I want to generate, without adding too many extra character details. I just want the setting to be in Hollywood, using a Google Maps location as our reference. This way, we can easily compare the final result with the actual Street View image. Before generating the video, the agent shows us a visual reference. If we like how it looks, we can accept the proposal, and it will start rendering the video. Now, take a look at this. On the left, you have the actual Street View image, and on the right, the video generated with Google Flow. I think it looks absolutely amazing, but I'd love to hear your thoughts. But what about the rest of the world? What happens if you request a location outside the United States? Currently, Google Flow is not integrated with Google Maps globally. If you ask for a specific international spot, the agent will actually warn you about this limitation. It will offer to generate the scene anyway, but it won't use Street View parameters. It will simply recreate the scene based on its internal AI model, just like any standard video generator. Let's look at an example. I wanted a scene right next to the Sagrada Familia in Barcelona. So I wrote a highly detailed prompt giving it the exact address, 266 Carrer de la Marina, and asking it to match the spatial layout and perfectly frame the monument. But the result is not accurate. Because it couldn't use Street View as a reference, the AI reconstructed the environment from scratch. If you look at the images side by side, the flow generation is a beautiful, hyper-realistic video, but it's an architectural hallucination. It completely misses the real geometry of the street and the actual state of the Sagrada Familia. This perfectly shows why the Maps Grounding tool is such a game changer for creators, and why we can't wait for it to roll out globally. And that's a wrap! Today we've seen the incredible potential of Maps Grounding and also its current limits. If this guide helped you level up your AI skills, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Drop a comment below if you want us to test any other locations or tools. We are here to bring you exactly what you need to know. We'll see you in the next episode. Thanks for your time.